What is happening, and welcome back. Oh, dirty lens. What is happening, guys? Welcome back. Putting a Trifold Tonneau cover on the F-150 today. I had a roll up on here. I like it. I just prefer the Trifolds. The roll up I really liked because you can, roll it up all the way. I took it off of here, but roll it up all the way, snap it up, and then you have the whole huge 5.5 foot bed. But and this is the foam that I put down with the other one to seal it. I put the foam down after the fact. I should have taken the... Shut up, Rooster. Should have taken the tonneau cover off and then redid the foam. But hey, it works. I'm going to leave it on there for this new one. Yeah, so that's what I like about that. The Trifold, it is pretty easy to take off though, just because it's Trifold. You can fold it up, take the whole thing off. So without further ado, let's unwrap this thing and see what's inside. Alright, so this is how she comes in the package. Got obviously the tonneau cover, the hardware, the clamps, the instructions, your foam seal. Yep, all the hardware you need. So first things first, we're going to get this put onto the bed, fold it out. We'll align it to where it's straight on all four sides or even. And then we'll carefully fold it back up so we can secure the front two clamps. I'll show you guys. First, I'm going to get it up there. Alright, well, I decided to take that strip off of there and put on the new one. I don't know what I was thinking. That would have been stupid of me. But, yeah. So I cleaned up the old one, got it off of there, put the new one on there. You can see it is a little bit higher than the side rails. So it should do a decent job of sealing up top. And then I also wanted to mention, I've got the platinum, so I got the lights in the bed, but they also give you this little push-up light that you can stick back here under your tonneau cover. It's battery operated. So, all right, I'm gonna get the tonneau cover back here set on, unfold it, and straighten it out. Got it sitting on here. So, next step is unclip your straps. Now, I have not clamped this down yet, so carefully unroll it, unfold it, whatever. And then you're going to want to take the cardboard off of this, just to keep her. And fold it all the way, just like that. And then what you want to do, shut the tailgate, make sure everything lines up where you want it. Get rid of this stuff. Make sure everything lines up where you want it. It looks even on the bed from all four sides. And then carefully roll this bad boy back up and then start clamping the front. So I'm going to straighten it up right now. Got her lined up. As you can see, I'm following this line on my rail all the way down. And on both sides, side to side, she is good. I straighten it up a little bit so I'm, all along the tailgate here without overlapping. And then also paying attention to my seal on the top and the bottom, making sure they connect with the most surface area possible. Now I'm gonna fold this up, clamp the front. So the whole goal here is to fold this up without moving it. So be very careful. If you move it, redo it. Unfold it, redo it. So I want to show you this now. I've never seen these and they're not in the instructions, but these front clamps here, I'm pretty sure these are like safety clamps. So just in case a clamp comes unloose or loosened up, these would be safety clamps. So the whole, kind of like a safety chain on a trailer, so the whole thing doesn't go away on you. But this is what I want to show you, the front clamps. They're just folded up. So just gotta fold them down, just like that. And then right here, if you got a bed liner, you may have to trim it. I don't have a bed, I have the spray and bed liner. So I have installed these on plastic bed liners and I've had them fit, but if they don't, you just gotta trim a little hole in the bed liner. So, and then again, don't move the tonneau cover. And then we'll just tighten that up. All right, got that side done. Gonna go over, do the same thing over here. Fold this guy down. Fold it down, screw it up. And then, I don't know, I'll figure these out. I mean, these just, you can slide them anywhere. And then, like I said, I really think they're just a safety tie down. You can put them up here, tighten them up, just like that. And that's it. Okay, got the clamps down on each side. Those safety ones, I'm not even gonna mess with them. I'm just gonna let them hang. And if you want, you can just take them off. It's just a loop and a strap. So, now that the front's secured, we're gonna unfold this guy. These are your clamps here. These are your quick clamps. You just gotta adjust them. So, I'll show you. Unfold this guy all the way. Obviously, there's gonna be some tension on it. That's just the way it is. Or else your tonneau cover's not gonna be taut. All right, so we get this bad boy down, and then fold this guy moves. So you wanna get this guy to one of these slots right there so you can pull it down. So obviously that's not gonna be the one we need. We need this slot right here. So I'm gonna put it back up. This is a locker. This slides back and forth to lock and unlock it so it can stay up. So you want to get it right there in the middle. And then we want to move this, move that handle over to that last slot. There. Then we can pull it down. And then what we need to do, push this down, and obviously we've got some adjustment here to do. So all you do is spin the handle. If you want to bring it down, you just turn it to the left until you are able to get it under the rail here. So when you pull it down, it tightens it. So I'm gonna readjust. You don't want it too tight. Okay, so right there, see I got it, pull it down, and it locks in place. Now it's tight. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. That's it. Install is done. Now I did take that one off just so I could get this up enough to adjust it and stuff, but now I got them both in. So all 4 clamps are done. She sits really good. All trifolds, soft trifolds are gonna have this. It's just the folding point. Nice and taut. Got a nice seal right up here for your tailgate. Now my old one, I actually added a seal here, so I'm gonna have to take this off. But yeah, I'll take that off a second. All right, what an amazing job. I'll clean that up some other time. But I took the seal off of here. Now, close the tailgate, slips right under it nicely. Locks into place. There you have it. Love it. Yep, I'm gonna like it. And I've had quite a few tonneau covers, man. My favorite is the hard roll and lock, but they're, you know, over $1,000. This is extremely affordable. Link in the description below if I have not said that yet. I've used all my soft covers have been Oedro, and I've worked with the same company. I just keep going back to it. It's affordable. They're nice. Yeah, good company to work with. Amazon link always. So yeah, take it in, guys. Now this installation is on a 15 Ford F-150 5.5 foot bed. Obviously if you're doing a Dodge or Chevy, things might be a little bit different. I don't know, I haven't done them, but these Fords, they're super simple, straightforward. What I like about this is if I'm going to get a load of wood and I want to, damn rooster, and I want to pile it over, I can take this right off, right? It's just 4 clamps. It's super simple. Undo the back clamps, roll it up, attach the straps, take off your front clamps, lift the whole thing off. Only thing you gotta do when you put it back on, set it up front, unroll it, unfold it, straighten it up like we just did, fold it back up, clamp the front, unfold it, clamp the back, and you're done. That's what I used to do with the last trifold I had on my white Super Duty, because I would haul wood in that thing all the time, and I would just take it right off. So like I said, the roll up, I liked it because I could roll it up and not have to worry about taking it all the way off. But the trifold, I just like the trifold better. Don't ask me why. I don't make sense to myself half the time. But anyway, like I said, link in the description below. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Yeah, I'm happy to be back in a trifold again. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If my damn rooster would be quiet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.